Dear Hector, how are you holding up?
Mom, now what should I say you? I'm trying to forget her but I can't.
I can understand your feelings, but I can't let you stay like this.
Mom, please, you don't need to worry about me. What happened to me? Nothing. I'm totally fine.
Hector, I'm your mom and I better know when my son is happy and when he is sad.
Yeah, I know, Mom, because you care about me, and other side Annie don't care about me.
My dear son, the value of son can only know mother. How can she realize your value?
Yes, you are right, Mom. After all, what is she to me? Haha. Leave it, Mom. No, Hector, my son, I didn't mean that. I was just saying that. Oh, please, Mom. I already upset just cause of her. Now you are realizing me? That what is she to me? Obviously she is something to me. That's why I'm worrying.
Your mom say to you sorry.
Now emotional sentiment. Oh, please, now don't show me crocodile tears. Because I don't have enough tear.
Okay, dear, now I'll not say anything to you, but must complete your dinner. Annie, when will you stop these actions? When you will leave me alone to my fate. What are you talking? I'm your sister, so if I'll not take care of you, then who will care you? I can take care of myself. Now I'm not a little child. How many older are you? But still you are a child for me. Then go and let sleep this child. You must sleep. I'll not stop you to sleep. But before it, you just confirm me one thing. May I see a marriage proposal for you? How many times have I told you that I don't want to marry, but why you can't pick me up? Look, Annie, now I'll listen you more. That's enough, your chatterbox. Chatterbox, haha. Now my sister saying to me that I started to talk nonsense and chatterbox. Oh my gosh, you are getting me wrong. I'm getting you absolutely right. Now do me a favor, just let me sleep. Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Mom. Mom, what are you thinking?
Oh, Hector, my son, nothing, just come and just beside me.
I know what are thinking.
Okay, just let me know.
Mom, I'm really sorry. I don't know what did I say you unknowingly.
No, dear, you didn't say me anything wrong.
I know I hurt you. Please, Mom, forgive me.
Just forget about it, dear. I'm happy with you. I don't need anyone, do you know? When you were a child, you used to do a mistake, even you slapped on my face. But I didn't feel bad, because I knew you are a child and you don't have sense. But now I felt bad, because right now you have a sense. Still you were talking to me like a non-essene.
I got you, Mom. Next time I'll not hurt you. I love you, Mom.
Love you too, dear.